Hey everyone, Asa here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video. Whoa, my contacts are really stinging my eyes. Awesome. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a really quick video on, oh my god, they just do not stop burning. Technical difficulties AF, yo. Ooh. I did want to film this quick video just to show you guys exactly how I do my eyebrows, and I do apologize if I am like a little flustered. I'm trying to do this as soon as possible because I have work tomorrow morning and it's like midnight. Before I get started, I wanted to ask you guys to subscribe down below and turn the post notifications on so you guys know when I'm posting new content. First things first, I'm gonna apologize because I look mad sweaty, but also I just put my contacts in so I could actually see, you know, my camera monitor, and it is making my eyes really red. So one of the advantages of actually having my eyebrows grow out is I can work with more of like the foundation of the actual hair that I have. My eyebrows are probably the only compliment I've ever received, you know, which is great. It really helps my self-esteem. But it is something I'm actually very happy with. I have a lot of eyebrow hair, and people always ask me whether I tweeze my eyebrows or whether I get my eyebrows done. I've never actually gone and got my eyebrows waxed or anything. I always tweeze them myself. I haven't tweezed just because I knew I was going to be making a video on how to make your eyebrows, how to do your eyebrows. If you have naturally thicker eyebrows like I do, this might be your thing, you feel? So I'm just gonna start from the bottom. I like getting all the loose hairs out of the way. Make sure you get good tweezers. By the way, I'm going to be wiping my face often because I am warm. It is hot. I sweat a lot. I'm a boy. I'm a boy with a sweating problem. And this is probably one of the hardest parts I feel about doing your eyebrows. It's just following the natural line that you have. At least this is what I do. When I do my eyebrows, I just follow the natural arch that my eyebrow has. So now not everyone's gonna like the arch. I'm sure there are ways you can manipulate it, but that's how I've always done it. I kind of just go under and go around. It's really nothing special or crazy. I don't play any magic tricks on you guys. That's just exactly what I do. I just like to clean up pretty much my eyebrows. This is the worst fucking mirror ever. It's the fucking worst. I think the most difficult part is doing the middle, because I feel not everyone has the same amount of hair on each of these sides. Do you see how this side's a little more rounded opposed to this side is actually kind of just a line? So that can be kind of difficult for me. I made a lot of stupid mistakes in college, but one of the stupidest mistakes I've ever made is I made my eyebrows so thin, because I don't know if the trend back in the day, back in 2011, was having the thinnest eyebrows in the world. But guess what? I fucking did it. I tweezed the hell out of my eyebrows. I got pink eye that week. So that was honestly probably just karma, and God was just telling me, slapping me across the face, don't ever do your fucking eyebrows like that ever again. If I find a picture of it, I will post it, but it looks like someone just drew a fucking, it looked like someone just drew a line, the thinnest fucking line. It was horrible, honestly. I wake up with night terrors. Honestly, that's the reason why I can't sleep. One of many, actually. Y'all, do you hear how bad I mumble? I'm sure, no, well, I have this microphone plugged into my camera, so I'm pretty sure I sound like Morgan Freeman at the moment, but in reality, if I do not have expensive equipment for my fucking voice, I am just mumbling like crazy. Oh my god, I keep doing it off camera. I am so sorry, guys. This side I actually do like to make it a little thinner right here so that it looks like an actual line, I guess. I work in 5 hours. I need to present in front of literally 70 strangers, which is great. It's great for my anxiety. Do things that keep you on your toes, is what I'm saying. I'm trying to clean these up. I feel like I'm just gonna look at the monitor. I don't know what, this fucking mirror is literally not working for any reason. I'm pretty much doing this for my monitor now because the little mirror that my mom got me is just trash. And these tweezers are kind of trash too. So that kind of sucks. Then what I like to do on top, I do like to kind of go over, get her done. It's not that cute, honestly. Let me see what I can do. And by the way, y'all, I'm just using a regular tweezer. I probably found it in the garbage where I found my personality. Like, y'all, I really have to be this close for it to work. It's ridiculous. I am fucking this bitch up. Looks a little arched. I don't want it to be that thick. I kind of want it to be thinner. Damn. I like to just clean up first, like I said. I clean up anything that I don't need like first, like anything like over here, any stragglers, any outliers, any of these fake ass bitches. Y'all, I cannot see. This is like the worst mirror ever, and I haven't done this in like 6 months. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this studio light is intense. Look at all these fucking hairs. I am the kind of person who I can pick at my eyebrows until I literally have nothing left. So as you can see, this is mad short now compared to, actually they're about the same size. I just hate how this is like rounder. I'm always trying to like figure a way where I can like beat the system. God, I wish I didn't like block the lighting, y'all. I'm sorry. My fat ass hand can't do shit right, TBH. Okay, this is gonna be a little difficult because I'm not trying to block the lighting. Sometimes this shit is about being precise, and just one hair can really actually make a huge difference. I hate how I'm talking like I actually know what the fuck I'm doing. That's the first thing you should know about me. Don't ever trust what I'm saying. I'm kidding. No, that's my experience though. I think that like one hair can truly make a difference. All right, so this is kind of what I do like underneath. Now that I like can kind of see better because I'm closing one of my eyes, I always kind of just follow the hairs that look out of place and kind of just, ooh, I may have tweezed off my whole eyebrow right there. Cool, great. What I need, honestly, Coachella, no eyebrows. So trendy. If my like receding hairline fails me, which I mean, I guess it already is, I will just get the hair on my eyelid transplanted to my head and I'll be okay. Like I will never need hair, that's for sure. If y'all see my chest, y'all will literally think a T-Rex is gonna pop out of that fucking Jurassic Park. And when it comes to like how like far do I go. I don't really go past like this. Like I have a lot of baby hair down here, if you guys can see. Like I'm sure I can like kind of shape that to like go with my eyebrow if I wanted to. That's how fucking hairy I am. But like I choose not to. I don't stress about it. See, that made it a little more square, but it's still not as square as this side. So, and my eyebrows are literally not looking like twins at all. They're looking more like fucking frenemies. This is not my best work, but honestly, I don't think it's that bad. I think this is just too square. That's what it is. I think I just need to like narrow this down a little bit. If you guys have a good mirror, you will not have to worry about anything I'm worrying about. God damn it. Boom, that looks a lot more like this one. Cool. See, this looks a lot more straight. That's what it is. So I go like this. Oh my god, I'm a genius. Oh my god, guys. I should patent this. Trademark. That's what I do. I close my eyebrows and I kind of go down that line. No wonder. Cool. I think that's pretty much it. You guys got like the view, the gist. Cool.